Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat.
We're so happy you're here with us today
This is the place where you learn English step by step.
with slow, easy, friendly conversations.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's lesson.
And don't forget to subscribe for more daily English practice.
Today, we are talking about childhood memories.
Childhood memories mean the things we remember from when we were kids.
Everyone has special moments from childhood.
Some memories are happy,
Some memories are funny,
and some memories are a little sad.
but all memories are important.
They tell the story of our life.
So let's start with some simple questions.
You can use these questions to talk about your childhood in English.
Lisa, what is your earliest memory?
My earliest memory is playing in my grandmother's garden.
That sounds sweet.
Yes, I remember touching the flowers.
I remember playing with toy cars when I was little,
Did you play alone or with friends?
usually with my brother.
That's a nice memory.
What toys did you play with?
I loved dolls.
Many children love dolls.
Yes, they feel like little friends.
I also liked building blocks.
Building blocks help kids learn shapes.
True, and they are fun too.
Childhood toys tell a lot about who we were.
Do you remember your first day of school?
Yes, I was very nervous.
Why were you nervous?
Everything was new.
I understand.
But my teacher was kind.
A kind teacher can change everything.
Do you remember your first teacher?
Yes, her name was Mrs. Green.
Was she friendly?
Very friendly.
That's wonderful.
I remember learning to read.
Reading opens a new world.
I felt proud when I read my first book.
Every child feels proud of that moment.
Let's talk about childhood games.
Great idea.
What games did you play?
I played hide and seek.
That is a classic.
Kids love hiding.
And they love finding.
What about you?
I played football after school.
Football is fun for kids.
Yes, we played every evening.
Did you win often?
Sometimes, but not always.
Winning is not important.
True. Playing is the fun part.
Childhood friends make the best memories.
Let's talk about family memories.
Yes, family memories are special.
I remember family dinners on Sundays.
That sounds warm.
We all sat together.
Talking and laughing.
Exactly.
I remember trips with my parents,
Where did you go?
mostly to the beach.
Beaches are great for kids.
I collected seashells.
That is a sweet memory.
Thank you.
Childhood trips stay with us forever.
Yes, they do.
What food reminds you of childhood?
My grandmother's cookies.
Homemade cookies are the best.
Yes, the smell was amazing.
I remember mango ice cream.
Mango ice cream is delicious.
I ate it every summer.
Summer memories are always fun.
Yes, simple, but special.
Food brings back strong memories.
Let's share a funny childhood memory.
Oh no, I have many.
Tell us one.
I once wore two different shoes to school.
That is funny.
I didn't notice until lunchtime.
Kids do funny things.
What about you?
I once fell asleep in class.
Oh, wow.
The teacher laughed.
That's cute.
Childhood is full of silly moments.
Yes, and they make us smile now.
Some memories are emotional.
Yes, like losing a toy.
I once lost my favorite car.
Oh, no.
I cried a lot.
That's normal for kids.
Do you have a sad memory?
Yes, my best friend moved away.
That is hard.
But we stayed in touch.
That is nice.
Childhood teaches us many emotions.
Let's learn some easy words.
Toy,
Playground,
friend,
teacher,
school bag,
birthday,
family trip,
cookies,
laughter,
memories. You can start by saying, when I was a child.
or when I was little.
Then add a simple sentence.
For example, when I was little, I played outside.
Or, when I was a child, I loved cartoons.
Keep it simple
Use easy words.
and speak slowly.
Childhood memories are easy to share.
Just think about the small moments.
Let's practice more.
What did you do after school?
I watched cartoons,
Nice. What did you eat for lunch as a kid?
usually rice and chicken.
That sounds good. What about you?
I ate sandwiches,
Simple and tasty. What was your favorite game?
skipping rope.
That is fun
Why are childhood memories important?
because they shape who we are
They remind us of simple happiness.
and they help us understand our feelings.
Childhood is where everything begins.
Yes, it is the foundation of life.
Now, we want to ask you some questions.
You can answer in the comments.
What is your earliest memory?
What games did you play as a child?
What food reminds you of childhood?
Who was your best friend?
We'd love to hear your stories.
So today we talked about childhood memories,
We shared happy moments
funny moments.
and emotional moments
We learned simple words.
and easy sentences
You can practice these at home.
or with a friend.
Talking about childhood is great for English learning.
Yes, because the vocabulary is simple
And the topic is fun.
and everyone has childhood memories.
Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
If you liked it,
Please subscribe to Daily English Chat
and give the video a like.
and share it with a friend.
Maybe a friend from your childhood.
Yes, that would be sweet.
Leave a comment below.
We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing English every day.
Step by step,
Little by little.
you will get better.
We believe in you
Have a beautiful day.
and a beautiful memory.
We will see you again tomorrow.
Take care.
Keep smiling.
Keep learning.
Keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.